Another video from Advancing Car. Today, Owen and I have been working on this Toyota GR86. It's a 2023 model. Pretty cool little car, cool little sports car. Haven't worked on one of these before, don't get them very often. And it's already got a reversing camera stuff, but the owner just wanted that bit more protection for parking and things due to visibility and things. So we fitted some aftermarket parking sensors that have got a kind of factory look to them because they're flush mount. So let's get around the back of it and have a look, shall we? Right, so we've fitted Vodafone / Cobra flush mount sensors, which are all color coded and things. So as you can see, they're all sitting, actually we've fitted them in their factory location. So obviously if they'd come from factory, they'd be in exactly the same place. So you're slightly lower on out to the edges, on the sides, and then just nice and central in this kind of little section just here. They work really well. They're just in working off the reverse trigger. So obviously as soon as you pop it into reverse, then they're activated. You get a little beep just to tell you that they're on, and then they just graduate. The beat gets faster as you get closer to stuff, as standard really. The dead tone, or the solid tone if you like, is at around about a foot. But you know, they maybe vary ever so slightly just because of the different heights and things like that. But yeah, they work really well, do their job, nice and simple, and look really clean and factory is the main thing. That's what the customer wanted. They don't have those horrible surrounds that sit out on the outside. All just looks nice and neat. So just, yeah, nice, quick, simple one today. So if you've got something similar to this and you just want some parking sensors for that extra security when you reverse parking and things, then get in touch. We've done quite a few different cars now with these, and everyone's been pretty happy with them. So get in contact on the contact form, check out the rest of the socials and things, check out some more videos, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.